Check, cool. Officer.
So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create kids content like this. A very nice video. So these videos are getting more views on YouTube and TikTok. So you can just try it. So first of all, open your TikTok and search kids content. So when the video comes like this, then you download the video. So you can download the video. Then after that, you take a screenshot of the page or of the video. So this kind of video is very simple and easy. So I'll be teaching you the steps to create content like this. So make sure you watch the video to the end. Then you like this video. Make sure you subscribe for more. So let's go. So first of all, we need to generate our images. So with that, let's use ChatGPT for that. So open your ChatGPT. So when it opens, you tap on the plus sign at the bottom there. Then you select photos. So it's open like this. Then you tap on the screenshot. So after uploading the picture, then you give it the prompt. I'll drop all the prompts in the comments section or in the description. So make sure you check the prompts in the description. So first of all, you can give it a simple prompt. So we like generate a similar picture for this. So you tell ChatGPT to generate a similar picture like this in a 3D Pixar-style cartoon character. So always remember we are using the TikTok ratio. That is a 9 by 16. So after that, you send it. Then you wait for your results. So make sure you watch the video to the end so that you can create your own kids content. Okay, so the image is processing. So let's wait for it to finish loading. So make sure you follow these steps very well. Make sure you watch the video to the end too. And you can tap on the subscribe button there for more. Don't forget to like the video and share to your friends. So let's wait for the image to finish generating. Okay, now the image is in. So just save the image. So after saving the image, let's generate another one. So you can tell ChatGPT to create another one. So for this one, I want the kids to dance. So you can just create another one for the kids dancing. So this is the second prompt. I'll drop all the prompts in the description. So check the description around the old man. To make sure you are following the video, make sure you follow the video well and make sure you watch the video to the end. So after that, you tap on the send and wait for your results. So you can just tap on this niche. This is a very simple niche. So people are earning money with this niche on YouTube and even TikTok. So you can just try this niche. Don't forget to subscribe for more. You check the description for the prompts. Okay, now so this is the image ChatGPT gave me. So you tap on the save button and save it. So now let's try and generate last image. So let's say generate. So to make our video nice and interesting, you can tell ChatGPT to generate another scene for you. So for that one, you can say the old man should stand and let's say dance. Yeah, so you can even use your own style. You can use any style you want. That will make your video interesting or nice. So with this one, I said the old man must stand and dance with the kids. So make sure you are following the video very well. That you tap on the send to send it. Then you wait for your video to finish. So make sure you are following these steps very well. This is a very nice content you can try for your YouTube channel or your TikTok channel. So okay, this is what ChatGPT gave me. A very nice image. So let's say so you need to save the image. Then let's generate another one. So here you can tell ChatGPT to generate another scene that can match the previous pictures. or the previous scene. So just remember, this is just a tutorial video so that you can just understand the concept. So you can also be creative and use your own style or use your own way. So you can try this as your content, and you're going to get more views and more subscribers. So you tell ChatGPT to generate another scene that can match the previous scene. Then after generating all the images, you need to convert the images to video. Here we are going to use the Grok application. So you open your Grok application. You can download it on your Google Play Store, or you can use the website. I'll drop the link in the description below. And when you open your Grok, make sure you tap on the imagine, then to open your gallery like this. Then you select the pictures we generated. So after selecting the pictures, the AI will generate all for us at once. So here the Grok AI will convert the images to short videos. So let's see what the AI has for us. Then you tap on this button down there to see your images. So the AI is now converting the pictures to images. So let's patiently wait for it. So after that, it will turn to short videos. Then we combine it with our CapCut. Then we are good to go. So make sure you watch the video to the end. Don't miss any step. Okay, our video is in now. So this is how the video will be. Then you download. Tap on the download button to download your video. Here, make sure you download all the videos you have generated now. So this kind of content is very simple and easy to create with free AI tools. Then after you tap on the next one and you tap on the download button to download it. Then you move to the next one, then you download it here. So you can decide to give it another prompt, but let's continue. So our last part is the editing. So you open your CapCut application. This is the CapCut Pro application. So I'll drop the link in the description as usual. All the resources will be in the description below. So make sure you check the description. When you open your CapCut, you tap on the new video. Then after that, we select the videos we generated with Grok. Here we are going to combine all the videos and add our sound to it. A very simple way. Tap on the three videos, then you tap on add, then it will open like this for you. Then the videos will appear here. So we are coming to add our sound. Don't forget we downloaded the video in the beginning. Here you tap on the audio down there, then you choose extract. You're going to extract from the video we downloaded on TikTok. Here you select the video, then you tap on extract and add audio. So here's the video. Tap on extract and add audio. After that, the audio will be extracted nicely here. This is the simplest way to create videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Now, to make your video very professional, you can split all the videos, then you change the arrangement or you mix it. So to split a video, you just tap on it and you see split down there. Now you just scroll to the end, you tap on the video, make sure the line is in the middle, then you tap on the split. After tapping on the split, you move to the next video, you do the same thing to it. So this will make your video professional and nice. Then after splitting the videos, then you mix it. So you drag and drop. Here you long press on the video, then you move it to the other side, anywhere you want it to be. Then you tap on the next one too, you long press on it, then you move it to the back or anywhere you want it to be. So just like this. Then after that, you can just split the audio and delete it. And if you want your videos to be long, let's say 30 minutes, 45 minutes, you need to generate more images. Then you convert the images to videos. After all this, then we need to export our video. So you tap on this AI HD up there. Then after that, you tap on export now. So your video will export. Then you choose export anyway. So this is the end of the tutorials. Make sure you subscribe to this channel.